Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I wanna install exe file directly in the Ubuntu machine. Huh? So we need to use Wine because it can install our exe file in the Ubuntu machine. So first of all, to do this, if the exe file is 32 bit for Windows machine, if my system is 64 bit, uh, we also can use 32-bit application. So as my system is 64-bit, I need to enable this feature first of all. So I am copying it, and then in the terminal I paste it here and enter my password. Then I have to update my repository, sudo apt update. Updating done. Oh, it's saying okay. Brave browser program. It's keeping now. And now I'm gonna restore Wine 842 MB may be used. I proceed in the let it download. This is the official repository. So it may be not its version is not the same as the main Wine official repository. I don't need the update version for now. I'm gonna install the Emu8086 application. This is very lightweight. I think not will any problem may appear. Um, Now I am pausing the recording. After 100%, we will resume the recording. Okay, inshallah. The after downloading done. Now it is maybe unpacking and installing. After download complete, installation complete. Now let's try. Now it is not listed in the application launcher, so I am gonna type it. If I was to do is missing, if I install it as root. Okay. It says to install this package also. Using sudo. Yes. it may take some time, so I'm pausing the recording. Now it's unpacking. uh, Now let's try whether it works or not. Okay, maybe it's working. While ls. Okay, so I'm going to my location where the application exe application is located.
Huh?
So now I am going to the location where the exe file is located. Okay, yes, and Emu8086.exe file. So I have to run this with the wine application. So okay, so while first of all ls and cd has these are unnecessary. Now I'm using save and then assemble. Assemble. Okay, save by build and then run. Oh, it's running. So if I press key, it's working. It's fully working. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah. Okay, this is the process how we can install an application using Wine. This is readme wine readme and install license. These are from Wine, which is unnecessary to me now. Where is the Wine application? I don't know. So this is the process how we can install an exe directly in the Ubuntu machine. Okay, this is wine made using Wine. That's pretty good. Okay, now that's it for today.